Well, we know that good nutrition supports immune cells, but can vitamins and minerals actually improve your immune genes? According to a University of Cambridge, England study recently published in the journal Human Molecular Genetics, the answer is yes. Here with more natural health care expert Dr. Mark Mincolla. Thank you for being here as usual.
Thank
you. This is fascinating to me because we were just talking about normally you think of genes and you think they can't be changed.
Set in stone. It seems that way. This suggests something different.
How was this study conducted?
Well, a group of women who were attempting to get pregnant were split up into two groups. One group received a nutrient cocktail, vitamins and minerals, the other placebo. They took this for 8 weeks. At the end of that period of time, their children were tested at birth genetically, tested again genetically at 9 months. Those kids that were part of the nutrient-rich group had significantly higher immune development. Quite a story.
That is quite a story. So how is it exactly that the nutrients affect the genes in particular?
Well, there's a very important immune reset process in the human body during immune development, and it's called methylation. And a lot of studies, not just this one, have indicated that nutrients play a significant role in enhancing this immune development at a methylation level.
So is it safe to say then that our diet in general affects our genes, yours and mine?
Well, and that's the $64,000 takeaway. There's no question about the fact that, as you pointed out earlier, we used to think of genes as set in stone.
Right.
You can only change a genetic composition 1/10 of 1% every 250 generations. Forget trying to change genes. The behavior of the genes responds to nutrients. So good nutrition, bad nutrition affects the development of our immune genes.
How different is this than what we thought before, like previously to this study? I mean, it's drastic change.
That's a great question. I think over the past 15 years, some of these studies are really shaking things up, and it's a whole new message that the behavior of our genes really can be changed, even though our genes really can't be.
So are there specific nutrients that you can get in your body that really affect your genes?
Well, you know, there have been a number of different studies. This particular study suggests that things like vitamin A, iron, and iodine are significant. But a number of previous studies really focus on the B vitamins, vitamin B2, B6, B12, folic acid. Even things like SAMe now have shined in this particular area.
All right, so those are nutrients. But if I want to go eat a particular food, is there something that I can go out and buy in the grocery store that will help my genes?
The next natural question, of course, and where do nutrients come from? They come from foods.
Right.
So foods do play a significant role as well. Beans, greens, green tea, berries, even spices have shown the significant ability to alter the behavior of genes at an immunological level because of their folic acid, a lot of their rich antioxidants. So absolutely food makes a difference.
So I know that the study was done on babies, essentially. Mm-hmm. Is it going to be that much different for you and I to change our genes at this age than it would be for a young baby?
Another good question. And this particular study focuses on babies, as you point out, but many of the previous studies, Shannon, talk about adults. So, indeed, there's been a lot of verification that nutrients at all levels of human development seem to play an immune level. So it's really important that this role is really significantly understood.
Very interesting. All right, Dr. Mark Mincolla, we want to let people know that you're going to be at the Trident Booksellers and Cafe on Newbury Street for a lecture and a book signing a week from tonight, Thursday, March 8th.
March 8th, I'll be there.
At 7 p.m. And for more information, you can visit maxhealing.com. We appreciate your time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.